Welcome to my channel Katie Trader.
I open buy because the green MACD indicator line is strongly curved upwards, then the MACD green candle appears bigger and the alligator indicator line is up to cross. This is a beautiful moment. I'm very sure the candle will be strong in the next 2 minutes, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, guys, so you don't miss it when I upload my videos every day.
I use 2 minutes and open $500. We'll see if I will profit. Watch this video till the end.
Profit, guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.